Did you know that there are foods that contain almost 0 calories? Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Well, welcome Nutrition Navigators. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to discover these almost magical foods. But first, let's unravel the great calorie mystery. Calories, my friends, are the tiny little energy nuggets our bodies need to function. We get them from the food we eat. However, when our calorie intake exceeds what we burn, that's when the sneaky weight gain happens. Now, imagine a world where you can eat, but the calorie count is almost 0. Intriguing, right? But hold on to your hats because by the end of this journey, we'll reveal a surprising fact about these foods that you'd least expect. And before we dive in, please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. That will help get this content out to those who may need it. Now let's uncover the mystery of these 0-calorie foods. So, what are these foods with almost 0 calories? You might be surprised. We're going to dive right into the heart of our topic. The first food on our list is celery. Now, you might have heard the rumor that you actually burn calories by eating celery. While that might not be entirely true, celery is certainly a low-calorie food. A single large stalk contains barely 6 calories but is a good source of fiber, which helps in digestion. Next up, we have cucumbers. Composed of about 95% water, cucumbers are incredibly hydrating and low in calories. A whole cucumber only carries around 45 calories. Plus, they're a great source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health, especially important for seniors. Moving on, let's talk about bell peppers. These colorful veggies are not only pleasing to the eyes but also kind to our waistlines. A whole bell pepper only contains about 33 calories. They're also packed with vitamin C, which is great for boosting your immune system. Now we're going to talk about a bit of a wild card. Broccoli. Yes, broccoli. A whole cup of this green goodness only carries about 55 calories. Not to mention it's rich in vitamins K and C, and it's a good source of folate. And let's not forget about tomatoes. A medium-sized tomato, which can be a great addition to your salads or sandwiches, only has about 22 calories. Plus, it's rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. These foods are not only low in calories, but they are packed with essential nutrients that your body needs. They are perfect for anyone looking for a healthy snack or wanting to add some nutritious punch to their meals. And the best part? You can eat them in larger quantities without worrying about your calorie intake. Isn't that fantastic? But wait, there's more to these foods than meets the eye. As we continue our journey, we'll uncover some intriguing facts about these 0-calorie foods that might surprise you. So, stick around. The best is yet to come. Are these foods truly 0 calories, or is there a hidden truth waiting to be revealed? Let's delve into the concept of negative calorie foods. These are foods that require more energy to digest than they provide. It's a fascinating phenomenon, isn't it? Consider this. You munch on a stalk of celery, which contains a mere 6 calories. However, your body uses more than that to digest it. So effectively, you're burning calories while eating. Foods like cucumbers, tomatoes, and even grapefruit fall into this category. It's like a magic trick, isn't it? A delicious, nutritious magic trick. You're not just eating healthily, you're also working towards your weight loss goals. So, in a way, these foods not only provide you with essential nutrients but also help you burn calories. Now, isn't that a win-win? Armed with the knowledge of 0-calorie foods, you might be tempted to stock your fridge with these magical, calorie-burning edibles. But wait, before you do, let's take a moment to consider a few important points. While these foods may help you burn calories, they're not a silver bullet for weight loss. They should be part of a balanced diet, not the entire diet. Remember, your body also needs proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates to function at its best. So, while snacking on a cucumber might help you burn a few extra calories, it's not going to provide all the nutrients your body needs. Moreover, consuming too many of these foods might lead to nutrient deficiencies. So, the bottom line is, balance is key. Incorporate these foods into your diet, but don't forget about other essential nutrients. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian before making any drastic changes to your diet. Up next are closing thoughts and a few more tips to keep you on the healthy path. As we wrap up our journey through the world of 0-calorie foods, let's take a moment to reflect and share a few more tips to keep you on the healthy path. Number 1, always maintain a balanced diet. While 0-calorie foods can be a great addition to your meals, remember they should be just a part of a varied and balanced diet. Number 2, don't forget to exercise regularly. Regular physical activity is as important as a well-balanced diet in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Number 3, stay hydrated and get enough sleep. Drinking plenty of water and ensuring you get a good night's sleep are often overlooked, but vital components of overall health. Thank you for joining us on this nutritional adventure. We hope that this journey has shed some light on the mystery of zero-calorie foods and their role in our diets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. This is your Nutrition Navigator signing off, reminding you to eat well, stay active, and always make informed choices about your health.